In this video, I'm going to show you how to group keywords out of Google Search Console in order to organize them by page and then identify new content opportunities. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Google Search Console, look at the search results performance section, and then scope it to something like last 28 days. And then from here, you just want to click on export and then do a Google Sheet for simplicity. So this is going to instantly create a Google spreadsheet that has, I think it takes like the top 1,000 keywords sorted by clicks usually. So it went to 1,001. Top 1,000 keywords sorted by clicks and creates a spreadsheet. There's probably ways to get more data if you filter certain ways, but this is just the basics. Next, you want to click on File, Download, CSV Current Sheet. Now we'll download this sheet into your computer so that you can upload it. Next, you're going to go into our internal tools. So let's assume you're just from the home page. You're going to click on Keyword Grouping CSV Upload. Then you can select the file that you just got. So this is the file that I got, and then click on Check. So right now it's going through, it's checking all the keywords. I've already uploaded this list once before, so it's running a lot faster. And then it's going to organize them into groups. Now, keep in mind, it's going to sort them the same way that they're sorted in the spreadsheet. So in this example, these keywords are sorted by clicks, but you probably want to actually sort them by impressions. So let's do that first and then re-upload it. The reason you would want to do this is because impressions are basically your search volume. It's how many people are seeing that keyword in the search results. And then clicks are just whether or not they clicked on you, which would only happen if you're on the first page of Google or if you're like one of the top results, right? So here I just exported the same list again, and the groupings here are done, but I'll just re-upload it. Again, this shouldn't take more than a second because everything is already in the database. It doesn't have to go out online anywhere to fetch the data, so it happens really quickly. And you'll see how it changes the order. It's like Switchboard Games has more searches here, but it showed up second. Now you should see it come up at the top. There you go. So the next step from here, and this next part could be automated, is you want to basically scroll through this list and find topics that are not yet written about on the actual website. So for example, I scrolled through this list and I found a couple of topics that we don't have content for yet, but we just happen to rank for it from other articles that aren't as related. So for example, there was like an influencer in here or something I found that we were ranking for her keyword, even though we don't actually have a topic about it yet. Or like this example, 8K 120 hertz TV. If you go to Google, we found that we're actually ranking on the first page, but it's for not really a related topic. It's talking about the best TV for PS5. But if we wrote a more focused topic, we could probably overtake the rankings from some of the competitors. Anyways, that's just an example. You can go through this whole list and find topics that you don't already rank for, or topics where you rank for them, but it's not really for the correct topic, if that makes sense. So for example, maybe we rank for this keyword Razer Nari Ultimate PS5, but we don't actually have a dedicated article about this, right? Best PS5 headset. We could probably take over the #1 position just by writing a more focused article on this topic. And keep in mind, it didn't get grouped with the best PS5 headset, right? Best PS5 headsets. So anyways, the point of that is it just uncovers topics that you're probably not writing about yet, even though you might be ranking for them through some parts inside of other content. Let me know if you have any questions about how to use this or any ideas. Again, just as a quick example, this is one that I found for me. This is like an influencer. I think we ranked somewhere for this keyword. It's like on page 2 or something, or page 3. Or no, it's actually right here. Best headsets for streaming. We could probably get #1 just by writing a review article because literally nobody else is writing about it. So this really helps you uncover hidden gem type of keywords and leverages your own existing data, Google Search Console, which is pretty much the most accurate data source besides Google themselves. So let me know if you have any questions. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.